Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a quick look at the brand new KFA RGB fans for your computer. Now you are already seeing a lot of RGBs right over here. At this moment they all are being controlled by the case and not software. So I can just click here and it will change. I will leave some links down below for the case and what I'm using right over here. Of course, I'm not synchronized with the GPU. I don't have a display right over here so that I control, so it is on default. But just to mention that KFA2 usually, or their main target is GPUs, but it's really nice to see they're releasing gaming gadgets or gaming accessories. Now we have seen thermal paste on one of the past videos. I will leave a link right over here where we did replace the thermal paste on the CPU, and today we are going to take a quick look at these fans, and they also have a mouse and a set of headphones that we will check here really soon. In terms of the fan itself, the unboxing, as you could see by some images, really simple. We will get one fan, which by the way the design is really nice and aggressive in terms of gaming. Now when I say the design is aggressive, usually the fans have a limit on both sides, and this one right over here looks like an aeroplane fan. Its front side is a little pop up, and there is a disadvantage right over here. If you put your finger right over there, you will feel the fan really fast. It doesn't hurt, but it will feel the fan really fast. Otherwise I just see advantages, especially on the design side. The plastics are really nice. The size is 12 by 12 and it has an air volume of 36.8 CFM, which is great. Now I'm feeling this one here on the top is pulling air. This one here on the front is also pulling air, but just because of aesthetics. Now to put this fan here on the front, I would need to use a case similar to the one that I've got right over here. I'm not really sure that you can see, which has a transparent front cover, and I can put the LEDs onto this way so that it will push air into the case. In this particular case, just for showcase, so it's okay, but if you are going to use on your computer, just have that in mind, that the LEDs will face the side that will push the air in. So in this particular case, the best scenario would be to put this one right over here at the end. But at the end, as you can see, I already have one default that came with the case, so I just use it like this to share with you guys. In terms of connectivity, we will need to connect RGB either to our motherboard or, like I did in this particular case, to our case, so that we can change the colors and control whatever we want. In case you don't have, but you still want RGB, don't be sad, because you can connect it. The only thing that you can't do is to control the color, so you will be left on the default, and the default will be something like what's happening with the GPU at this moment. As you can see, it will circle between different colors, so this will be more or less the effect that the fan will have if we don't connect the RGB. In this particular case, as I said, I've got it connected to this case because it's easy, so that I can just click here and there we go, it changes colors as we want. Now in terms of power, we have two options. We can connect it via the 3 pins to our motherboard, and the advantage that way is that we can control the airflow, so we can control with our software the fan curve and tell it, okay, so when the computer reaches 50 degrees, go to 70%, or when it reaches whatever, go to X%, and so on and so forth. So this will depend on what we want. One thing very important is that even on maximum, which is right now, it's very silent. I don't hear it. So if you have a computer that needs a nice amount of airflow, just put them on maximum. To do that, it's really easy. Just use the 4 pin Molex, and you don't need to worry about the fan curve and whatnot. Just it will work 100%, which is the 36.8 CFM, which is not bad at all. I can really feel it, but I can't hear it. So basically this is it, guys. Really interesting fan, RGB all over the place, and that is it. Hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual and very appreciated thumbs up right over here. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.